Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can use inside a CDS view, multiple CDS views. So let me tell you the requirement. The requirement is in one, I need all the POs that have um, open goods receipt. Okay. So here what we are going to do is first we have already created a CDS view, okay, with this. So this, if you notice, this is just the CDS view which determines all the invoices. So let me execute and just show you how it works. So here you can see all these are invoices. Okay, now what we are going to do, just close this. Let me close this a bunch so that it's not here. Okay, so here, this is the one. So the next one which we built is for one. So vgap 1 is for goods receipt. Okay, so now I'll execute this, and here we'll get anything that has goods receipt. Now my next requirement is what we are going to build, and what we have already built is um, anything that has the goods receipt minus the invoice receipt is more than one. Okay, where the amount is more than one. So in these cases, how we can get those? Okay, so here it's pretty simple. What we did is we defined a view, a sync, and here if you notice, this is the CDS view. This is the one which is this one. This is part 3. You see, this is the CDS view, and here this is for the goods receipt one, and here I have done this, and then we did the inner join, which is the invoice one. Okay, as B, and then, so if I want, I can give some description here. This is for GR CDS, and this is the invoice CDS, and here if you notice, here we just did the joining condition and all those things, and here we get all the details, a total and this, and we get, and when we execute, if I execute here, okay, yes, what I'll do is I'll just activate it, and here once I execute this, now here it will ask for something. I'll just give, though the parameter is there, it's not used. Here I get only the goods receipt that has invoice less than. So these are all the open ones. So in this way we used two CDS views for calculating this minus this, and the other field values were the same. This is pretty easy, and you can use this as a reference. So in this way you can call a CDS view inside a CDS view where you have all the calculation and use it accordingly. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have a great day.